They hide the truth. We decode the system.
Life on Earth may not have begun on Earth. That idea sounds impossible at first. We tend to think of life as something that emerged slowly in Earth's early oceans, sparked by lightning, chemistry, and time. But what if the first seeds of life didn't originate here at all? What if they came from space? There is a theory known as Panspermia. It suggests that life, or at least the building blocks of life, may be widespread throughout the universe, traveling between planets on asteroids, comets, and cosmic dust. The word itself means seeds everywhere. And the more we study space, the less impossible it seems. Now consider something even more extraordinary. Rocks from Mars have landed on Earth. When a large asteroid strikes Mars, debris can be blasted into space. Some of that debris eventually crosses Earth's orbit and falls here as meteorites. We have identified Martian meteorites on our planet. If microbes were embedded inside rock fragments ejected from a planet, they might be protected during the journey. Protected during the fall. Protected long enough to land somewhere new. If that's true, then life could spread naturally between planets. Not through spaceships, but through impacts. Billions of years ago, during the early days of the solar system, impacts were common. Earth, Mars, and other bodies were constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. Material was exchanged frequently. If life began on Mars first, when it may have had rivers and lakes earlier than Earth, it's possible that microbial life was blasted off Mars and delivered here. In that scenario, we are not purely Earthborn. We are Martian descendants. The timescales are immense. But the universe is older still. If even a tiny fraction of microbial life survives these journeys, then life might not emerge independently everywhere. It might spread. Like cosmic pollen drifting through. Could life be traveling silently between worlds at this very moment? Some scientists remain skeptical. Panspermia doesn't answer how life began. It only shifts the question elsewhere. If life came to Earth from Mars, how did it begin on Mars? If it traveled from another star system, how did it begin there? At some point, chemistry must have crossed the threshold into biology. But Panspermia suggests that once life begins somewhere, it may not stay confined. It may spread. Quietly. Relentlessly. Across planets. Across star systems. Across the galaxy. So maybe the real story of life is not one of isolation. Maybe it's one of connection. Maybe Earth is not a lone oasis. Maybe it is just one node in a vast cosmic ecosystem. And if that's true, then the next time we discover microbes on Mars, or beneath the ice of Europa, the question won't simply be whether life exists there. The question will be far more unsettling. Are they alien to us? Or are they family?
Stay curious, stay dangerous, share, like, and subscribe.